How is everyone? Hello, guys. Hello, good evening. Welcome to the session. How is everyone? Hi, guys. Good evening. Hello. Hi, Sneha. Hello, Avinash. Welcome. I'm good, guys. How are all of you? Good, guys. Good to see everyone join in. Hello. Good evening. Hi, Yash. Hello, everyone. Good evening, guys. Hello. Hi, Akriti. Welcome to the session. My day was good. What about your day? Hello, Neha. Good evening, guys. Thank you, Pallavi. Guys, we'll post the link of the group. Those who are not a part of the group, do make sure that you join in. Okay. Good, good. Very good. Hello. Welcome to the session. Good evening, guys. Welcome to the session. Good evening. Hi, Samyan. Welcome to the session. Good evening. Good to see everyone join in, guys. Hello. Emoji spam. Okay, 1 minute. Let me remove that. Okay. Right. Now is it fine, guys? Hello. Okay, come on, guys, let's get started. Are no problem, Monica. I hope you're feeling better now. Okay, yes, guys, come on, let's get started. Chalo, 1 minute. Ruko, guys, my network is giving me problem today. I just disconnected the SIM and I put it back in the dongle and it's not taking it for some reason. Okay, come on, guys, let's get started. 1 minute. नहीं पल्लवी I just reset it. I mean I didn't reset. I just मतलब SIM निकाला था वापस डाला dongle में चल नहीं रहा. Okay, no Shivam, just on time. So guys, I want everybody to be a part of the group Unacademy _ Ritu Dudoria for your complete preparation of the VARC section. Hi Addy, welcome to the session. Guys, I want all of you to consider taking the Plus and the Iconic subscriptions right away because of live classes, interactive sessions, weekly tests, study material, structured courses. If you take the Iconic subscription, you get complete one-on-one live mentoring. So do consider taking the subscription as soon as possible. These are the price points. Don't forget to apply the code RITUMBA in order to subscribe. Come on, guys, let's get started. So, Kal, we will begin from where we left off yesterday. So, come on, guys. Next question on your screen. You have to tell me which is the odd one out. Welcome to the session, everyone. Good to see all of you join in. Come on. हाँ स्नेहा, mix. We'll go through CR as well. Hi Aditi. Come on guys. ये वो कल वाला ही फाइल है. Hi Nil. Hi Akanksha. No problem, Akanksha. Welcome to the session. Take your time. Take your time. नहीं देवांशु, check. What means what, Avinash? Sauces. Sauce. जो हम लोग खाते हैं ना, sauce, ketchup type sauce. Correct, Monica. Hi, Ankit. Okay, Jarina says 1. Bishwaroop 4. Some of you say 3. Okay, let's poll, guys. Come on. Okay, guys, poll's underway. Sorry, wrong poll, guys, wrong poll. Sorry. I saw the last answer and sorry. Come on. Good. Okay. Hi, Prakhar. Welcome to the session. Okay, guys, come on. Let's discuss this. Why ऐसे answer क्यों है? Ida's, the wife's tale, savors her grandmother's life, which is a life scented with ginger and garlic, cardamom and basil, which spans emperors, revolutions, invasions, conquests, and liberations. It extends beyond the warm flavors of ginger and cardamom that spice the languidly served stews. Best of all is the whiff of green coffee beans roasted in a cast iron skillet, which is carried around the table to give each guest a full measure of its aroma. There is also the tactile joy of tearing and rolling injera, which is a type of bread, a home cooked Ethiopian meal. Guys, can I say 5 is the opener? A home cooked Ethiopian meal is a sensual journey. Yes or no? Correct. Will all of you agree that 5 is going to be the opener? Uske baad 2, can I say it extends matlab the journey, the experience of the home cooked meal. फिर 2, 4 and 3. 3 says best, so वो last में आएगा. Something which is good, something which is good, something which is best. Okay, so 5, 2, 4, 3 all talk about the Ethiopian meal. A good Ethiopian meal में क्या आपको मिल सकता है. Okay, plus when you say sensual journey, you're talking about tactile joy of tearing and rolling and whiff and warm flavors and all of that. Can I say Ida यहाँ पे और grandmother's life ये थोड़ा सा irrelevant या out of context है guys? Will all of you agree this is irrelevant or out of context? Hi Meet, hello Chetu. Okay guys, come on, next one. Para summary question on your screen, try this out. Come on everyone, give me 1 second. Hello. हाँ हाँ ऑफ कोर्स नेहा डिसीजन मेकिंग करेंगे. Yes, no, second question, Shubham. Shall we poll, guys? Come on. Okay, right, guys, come on, let's set this straight. Hi, Kshitij. A propeller is a machine that moves you forward through a fluid when you turn it. Since a ship propeller works in water, the ship's speed will normally be less than the theoretical speed. The difference between the two speeds is known as the apparent slip and is usually expressed as a ratio, so it's very, very factual and technical in nature. If the ship's speed relative to the surrounding water, hi Kshitij, by means of a log line, the theoretical speed will enable. Okay, so guys, there's a lot of data. Now, how do we go about it? Look at A. Second question, Kshitij. All the propellers work in water, as a result of which ship speed is usually less than the theoretical speed. Okay, now guys, can I say all the propellers work in water is incorrect here? Hi Anna. All the propellers work in water. Is this incorrect? Okay, let's eliminate this. Apparent slip is relative to how the speed ship is measured. Even the water will affect the apparent slip. Can I say that this is basically very limited in nature? Hi Anna, this is very limited in nature. It does not give us the complete meaning or the complete understanding. इसमें propeller ही नहीं है. Okay, so I'm going to eliminate option B. Apparent slip is calculated by the difference between ship speed and theoretical speed. But guys, can I say that we need the word actual ship speed? However, it varies with the method of measuring the ship speed. Again, this is nothing to do with propellers. This is nothing to do with water. So guys, can I say that your answer option is going to be C? Will all of you agree with this? Hi Prachi, kya hua? Okay, guys, all of you understood this? Good, very good, Meet. Excellent. A, all the propellers work in water. Abhinav, isn't this incorrect? Ship propeller works in water. All propellers don't work in water. So A is incorrect. Okay. Right. Come on, guys. Let's go to the next one. Don't forget to apply the code, guys. Kal mega combat hai. Sabke sab dena using the code Ritu MBA. Those who are plus subscribers, guys, great benefits for all of you. Okay. Done, Prachi. So, guys, 2 full-length mocks per week, 3 sectional tests, 2 full-length mock tests for UMETs. Please make sure that all of you take the subscription jaldi se and use the code Ritu MBA. Okay, come on, guys. Next one. Chalo. Dan Pallavi, of course. PJ on your screen, guys. Come on, try this out. Done, of course. Yes, Kshitij. I am now, Prachi, every day 5 p.m. Okay. Two three one four 2431 2143 2134 Okay, shall we poll, guys? Come on. So you have A, B, C, D. Come on. Okay. Can we look into this, guys? Good one, Abhishek. नहीं, options नहीं आते. Options आते ही नहीं है विशाल. Box आता है, उसमें आपको भरना पड़ता है. I'll explain, Loki. Now look into this, guys. They believed it was a place where hero spirits. Now they and it, this cannot be your opener. The Isles of the Blessed is what the Greeks called Atlantis thousands of years ago. This can be your opener. अच्छा आपका सही में अभिषेक, see this is the case of crying wolf. अब आपका सच में गलत होगा तो भी कोई विश्वास नहीं करेगा. Though Atlantis was lost to mankind even then, they knew that it had always existed. A place which only the spirits of heroes could enter, and they reached it without dying because they carried the secret of life within them. Guys, can we say that 2 is going to be our opener? Hi Anna, can I say 2 is going to be your opener? Now, please focus on these language clues, guys. Though Atlantis was lost to mankind even then, even when, thousands of years ago, I'll explain why not 2-1, but एक बार सुनो. 2-3, did you all understand this link? Even then means time, thousands of years ago, they knew that it had always existed. They matlab the Greeks. Okay, now listen to this. They believed it was a place where hero spirits lived in a happiness unknown to the rest of the world, a place which only the spirits of heroes could enter. Don't you find the grammatical connection, guys, between 1 and 4? Hi, Anna. Hi, Akash. Don't you find the grammatical connection between 1 and 4? They believed it was a place where hero spirits lived in happiness, a place which only the spirits could enter. Do you understand the link between this part? I believe that he's a good boy, a boy who can be depended on, something like that. Did all of you understand this? So guys, 1 and 4 का clear link है, 2 and 3 का clear link है. Answer is 2, 3, 1, 4. Now 2, 1, 4, 3 you say. 2, 1, 4, 3. 2 is fine. 1. Okay, so guys, the time frame has to be linked. Clear? All of you understood this? Yes? Okay, good, good, Devanshu. Come on, guys. Next one on your screens, para jumble. 4 cannot be your opener. ये दे कौन है? A place. Which place are you talking about? So 4 cannot be the opener. Language के चलते. Okay, come on. Next one. Now is it clear, guys? There's a problem with. Okay, the guys is some. Now is it clear? Yes. Okay, try this out. No problem, Bhavesh. Welcome. One, two, and two, because wait, 2, 4, 3, 1 क्यों नहीं? 2 is the opener. 4 and 3 no. Look at this. They believed it was a. ये अगर आप 4 independently लगाओगे ना शुभम incomplete होगा. A place which only the spirits of heroes could enter. There is no verb in this. This is incomplete. You'll have to say it was a place, that was a place, tab complete hota. This is a complement of 4, of 1. A place where hero spirits lived, a place which only the spirits of heroes could enter. That's why. Otherwise 4 is grammatically incorrect. अगर 1 से नहीं जोड़ोगे, 1 4 को नहीं जोड़ोगे, 4 grammatically incorrect होगा. Got it? Because it does not have a verb in it at all. Okay. Next one. Come on, guys. Okay. A, B, C, D, let's poll. Okay, guys, can we discuss this? Yes? Okay, chalo. The answer is 4321. I'll help you all. I'll help you out. Come on, listen to this. Improvisation is a highly complex form of creative behavior which requires cognitive flexibility, divergent thinking, and discipline specific skills. This can be your opener. A great example of flow state is found in many improvised art forms, from music to acting to comedy, known as spontaneous creativity. It is a transportive and pleasurable experience. Cannot be my opener. During what psychologists call flow states. Okay, now guys, where one is completely immersed and absorbed in a mental or a physical act, people often report an altered sense of time, place, and self. Okay, now guys, can I say that there are multiple possible openers? Four can also be your opener. Hi Anna, can I say four can also be your opener? Yes. Okay, so four can also be your opener. Right. Now, guys, listen to this. Listen to this. Can I say this describes what flow states is? Can I say this describes or this explains what flow states is? Now, when you say it is a transportive and pleasurable experience, guys, did I 4321 ही mark किया था ना मैंने answer? Can I say 4321 ही mark किया था answer? हाँ, ठीक है. सुनो एक बार. I'll take all your doubts. एक बार सुनो. Now, guys, it's a transportive and pleasurable experience. This it refers to what? Is it improvisation or is it flow states? Is it improvisation or is it flow states? It's flow states, altered sense of time, place, and self. That means you're being transported. It's a transportive and pleasurable experience that people seek to achieve and that neuroscience is now seeking to understand. A great example of flow state is found. Now, guys, can I say all these three sentences talk about flow state? Can I say all of these talk about flow state? 4 and 3, because of that itka link, and 2 gives us an example. All of you agree with 432? The only problem is where to put 1. Why not 423? Then it kya hoga? A great example of flow state is the subject. It is a transportive and pleasurable experience refers to the great example. No. Grammatically wrong हो जाएगा ना. Prasanjit, grammatically wrong हो जाएगा ना. 2 में subject a great example है. उसको आप it से कैसे link करोगे? Got it? Did you understand this? Plus altered sense of time, place, and self. That is why we are saying transportive and pleasurable experience. Okay, so now first of all, I'll tell you 1 ka positioning. Did you understand 4, 3, 2, all of you? 4 talks about flow states, 3 elaborates on it, and 2 talks about it, gives us an example of flow states. Okay, so 4, 3, 2 ka link hoga. 1. Improvisation is a highly complex form of creative behavior which requires cognitive flexibility, divergent thinking, and discipline specific skills. अब आप मेरे को बताओ, ठीक है, 1 को या तो शुरुआत में लगा सकते हैं, 1 को या तो बाद में. Guys, I'll take all your orders. I'll take all your orders. एक बार सुनो. Listen to this. I'll take all 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. I will take all of them. एक बार सुनो सिर्फ. First, listen to my explanation, then I will take all your explanations. I will explain all the links. Okay, एक बार सुनो. 4 से हम लोग शुरू करते हैं. Okay, altered sense of times, place and self. इसीलिए we are calling it a transportive experience. ठीक है. Now इसका एक example है ये. Correct? You can find it in many improvised art forms such as music, acting, comedy, poetry, known as spontaneous creativity. Okay. Now 1 को या तो we can put it इधर या we can put it इधर because 4, 3, 2 is a subset that we have decided. Improvisation is a highly complex form of creative behavior which requires cognitive flexibility, divergent thinking and discipline specific skills. अब आप मेरे को बताओ 1 और 4 का क्या कनेक्शन है? 1 and 4 का क्या कनेक्शन है? But 2 और 1 का कनेक्शन है. 2 और 1 का कनेक्शन है. So where is it better placed? Can I say 4, 3, 2, 1 for now? Okay, now I'll take all your orders. Come on. Now tell me which order do you want to prove एक बार? 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the order. 4, 2, 3, 1. एक एक करके guys. 1 minute. 4, 2, 3, 1. 1, 3, 4, 2. 4, 3, 1, 2. 4, 2, 1, 3. Okay. 1, 3, 2, 4. ठीक है. So everyone listen to these 5 orders का quick explanations. First one 4, 2, 3, 1. 4 से शुरू किया, correct किया. 2 को लगाया 3. 2 और 3 नहीं होगा. Guys, 2 और 3 नहीं होगा. It is a transportive and pleasurable experience. That is not it. See guys, यहाँ पे subject हो गए great example. Is the example a transportive and pleasurable experience? Is the example a transportive and pleasurable experience? Noun और pronoun का link तो 4, 2, 3, 1 नहीं हो सकता. Okay, 2, 3 जिसने भी लगाया है जहां पर भी वो गलत है. Okay, next 1, 3, 4, 2. I start with 1. Perfect. 3. You want to say improvisation is a transportive and pleasurable experience. How is improvisation a transportive and a pleasurable experience? Transportive. Isn't this transportive? Isn't this transportive? Your altered sense. आपको पता ही नहीं place, time, कहाँ हो, क्या हो, कैसे हो, क्या कर रहे हो. Flow. So guys, improvisation transportive है या flow states transportive है? Improvisation transportive है या flow states transportive है? Flow states. तो 1 और 3 का कनेक्शन नहीं है. 1 और 3 का कनेक्शन नहीं है. 4, 3 ठीक है. 1, 2. But why do you want to divorce it? पहले 4, 3 को लगाया है flow state, फिर 2 भी तो flow state का ही है. Suddenly 1 बीच में improvisation कहाँ आ गया? Eliminate. Guys, I'll ask you one simple question. अगर ये odd one out होता तो आप किसको odd one out करके निकालते? Simple चीज है. किसको odd one out बोलते? Everyone would say 1 is the odd one out. Because it's not directly connected with any statement. 4, 2, 1, 3. 4 ठीक है. 2, 3, 2 ठीक है. 1 अगर वही प्रॉब्लम है कि 1 बीच में आया कहां से? Improvisation suddenly आया कहां से? Got it? Maybe the next paras continue about improvisation. Clear? Did all of you understand this? Yes? Okay. Arey, thank you, Neha. Okay. Right, guys. Shall we try out decision making? Yes. Shall we try out decision making का एक set? Okay. आई होप वर्ड फाइल चलेगा गाइस. रुको, मतलब आपको क्लियरली दिखेगा. एक सेकेंड. ओके. अरे नहीं अविनाश, डोंट वरी. विशाल अटेंड डेली क्लासेस. नहीं समृद्धि. Almost Kshitij because it's important now. Aris Pallavi, have not asked the team about it. I will ask. Good question. ठीक है guys, visible है? Visible है everyone? Can I zoom in a little more? Is this better? Or is it getting cut? Like किसी के mobile screen में. Zoom out. Okay. Fine. 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 We'll keep this. Okay. Come on guys. Read away. Read the following caselet and answer the questions that follow it. Come on guys. There are 5 questions on this caselet. मैथ एग्जाम फोकस प्रसन्नजीत ऑन वोकैब एंड ग्रामर. वोकैब मेड इजी सीरीज कर लो, ग्रामर मेड इजी सीरीज कर लो. योर मैथ विल बी परफेक्टली फाइन, डोंट वरी. यस प्रसन्नजीत, या आया ना दिवांशु. अभी सडनली कुछ 15-20 कमेंट्स आ गए. वेयर इज योर कमेंट दिवांशु? Of course Saleni, we'll take up RC for the next class. Correct Ayan. Leaderboard ठीक है. When it's in the Zoom state ना, I can't show the leaderboard देवांशु. एक बार zoom out हो जाएगा पूरा तब I can show the leaderboard. वरना leaderboard का बटन नहीं चलता. Grammar made easy. YouTube पे playlist है. वो देखना. Come on guys. Scroll down. Done Pallavi. No, case study. Decision making. Guys, इतना तो फर्स्ट पैरा तो पढ़ ही लिया होगा सबने. Next, scroll down. Come on, guys. I'm not sure, Neha. Okay, everybody read this till here? Try this, guys. ऊपर वाला पार्ट वापस यहाँ तक. अच्छा guys, साथ में एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं. चलो. Wait, listen to this. Suresh is very fond of books. While traveling home after the completion of his MBA from XIBE, he purchased several books. Because his hometown does not have a good outlet for national and international bestsellers and latest books. फिर उसको आइडिया है क्यों ना बिजनेस करते हैं इसका. Okay, now he saw a business opportunity. He spent time on market research. He found that Bhakra, I'll come Shubham 1 minute. He found that Bhakra, a town with a population of 12 lakhs, 2 business schools, several multinational companies, a good proportion of premium buyers, was a market waiting to be tapped. Okay, was a market wanting to be tapped. Okay. To set up franchisee, he needs a space of about 2,000 square feet in a commercial area and an investment of rupees 40 lakhs. He gets 70% of profits while 30% goes to ODC, with whom Suresh wants to, that's a franchise company, a bookstore hai, let's say, जिसका उसने franchise लेना है. He is considering the option of borrowing from a bank. तो गाइज ये डिटेल्स है, इनको याद रखना जरूरी है, या तो नोट्स में कर लो, पर बहुत ज्यादा है तो पैसेज पे रेफर करना पड़ेगा. He went to Visakhapatnam and Kanpur, where ODC has franchisee outlets. Visakhapatnam franchisee has a revenue of 4 to 5 lakhs per month, with a profit margin of 20 to 25%. Suresh expected similar business at Bhakra. He started looking for space. 3 commercial places है, एक सरायर, एक भोजनगर और एक अलकापुरी. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे तीनों प्लेसेस के डिटेल्स दिए हैं. Alkapuri is a place where most of the high-end retail shops are located. MNC shops यहाँ पे है. Bhojnagar is a middle class area. Sarayar is a residential area. उससे सोचा अलकापुरी इज द बेस्ट प्लेस. अलकापुरी सिलेक्ट किया. अब अलकापुरी में क्या है, हाई एंड रिटेल शॉप्स है, एमएनसी शॉप्स है. ओके, यस, नो नेहा, लिटिल फार अवे.
Nine nine two one six five.
Okay, so guys, let's see this. He decided to take up Alkapuri, which is the best place among the three under consideration. He found that the rentals are higher. Of course, high-end retail shops hai. Though Bhojnagar is growing fast and recently many branded outlets opened there, he preferred Alkapuri because वहाँ का image अच्छा नहीं है. He thought he could target the employees of MNCs in Alkapuri, but वहाँ पे बहुत high operational costs है. Now he decided to go to the peaceful village for a week. अब क्या करूँ मैं? That is what his dilemma is. He wants to set up in Alkapuri, but वहाँ के land rates, rentals बहुत high है. Did you understand the problem that he faces? नहीं Atin, this comes only in ZAT, Excel आ रहा है का. Okay, got it everyone? MBA में आपको case study जरूर सिखाएंगे, पर exam CAT में नहीं आएगा. Okay, now guys, let's see the various considerations. Okay, first question on your screen. Now यहाँ पे case study था, उसको solve करना है. Which of the following is the most important criteria in the above business situation? Rentals, okay, so rentals, changes in publishing industry, profitability. Okay, that's great, Prasanjit. Okay, so guys, now tell me, first question on your screen, analyze it and then we discuss. Very easy, very easy. What's the main criterion? कौन सा criterion अटक रहा है guys यहाँ पे business situation के लिए? Most important criterion. ही सब कुछ sorted है, पर एक चीज बीच में अटक रहा है. वो क्या अटक रहा है? Let's poll. Rentals, na? Everything is fine. Alkapuri is perfect, but why isn't he going with Alkapuri? Because the rentals are very high. Hi Anna, why isn't he going with Alkapuri? Profitability of business in the first couple of years. Why? How did you decide on the first couple of years, guys? Depends, Vishal. अगर आपका reasoning अच्छा है तो that अच्छा है आपके लिए. Common sense का है पूरा that. See this, guys. Look at this. He needs, now see, पूरा सब कुछ सब model एकदम अच्छा है. Satisfied with the profits he would be making. Profit margin वो सब कुछ है ही नहीं. That's not even an issue. Now, what is the main issue here? Rentals are high. Rentals, yes or no? That is why इसको village जाना पड़ा है. Hi Anna, answer in the context of the passage. Yes. Got it, guys? Okay, let's go to the next one. What could be the most likely reason for Suresh's preference in favor of Alkapuri? Why does he prefer Alkapuri? Sneha, it depends. See, I would say it's tougher than CAT क्योंकि वहां पे बहुत सारे एरियाज है. वोकैबुलरी भी है, ग्रामर भी है, डिसीजन मेकिंग भी है, रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन भी है, पोएम कॉम्प्रिहेंशन भी है. कट ऑफ एकदम कट टू कट होगा. ठीक है, तो वैसे देखोगे तो ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है. बट वो क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड LRDI में आपका कैट का परफॉर्मेंस कैसे, उस बेसिस पे आपको पता करना पड़ेगा. आई वुड से कैट का VARC इजियर है देन ज़ैट VARC. But that depends upon you. Like I've seen a lot of people who are more analytical in nature. For them, ZAT is a perfect exam. So it depends upon what you're good at. Hi, Pratham. Okay, guys, second question. What is his main reason, likely reason, why he's in favor of Alkapuri? Let's poll. Patronage, support. सी शुभम, वहां पे आपको 4 अलग अलग कट ऑफ्स आते हैं. इंजीनियरिंग के लिए अलग आता है, मेल के लिए अलग आता है, मेल फीमेल, तो वैसे आपको काफी सारे वहां पे 4 अलग अलग आते हैं. और फिर बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट जनरल के लिए अलग आता है, HRM के लिए अलग आता है. तो उस हिसाब से भी अलग अलग कट ऑफ्स आते हैं। और जीके है तो जीके में लोग मार खा जाते हैं, दैट्स व्हाई दैट इज कंसिडर्ड टफर स्पेशली बिकॉज ऑफ जीके। पोर्शंस बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है गाइस। पेट्रनेज ऑफ अलकापुरी शॉप्स बाय द वेल एजुकेटेड पीपल, कहां दिया है वेल एजुकेटेड? लो प्रोफाइल इमेज ऑफ भोजनगर is the reason for not preferring Bhojnagar, but that's not the reason for preferring Alkapuri. Correct, Shubham. Presence of MNCs. Yes. High rentals that's not the reason for preference, that's the hurdle. Got it, guys? Products, but that's your Devanshi, that is your assumption. That is your assumption. जितना पैसेज में दिया है उतना देखना है. You know, the reason why you would prefer MNCs is also not because they're educated, because they have the money to spend. So that could also be a reason. Not about the education point. It could also be because they have the reason to spend. Lots of paying customers, exactly. Okay. Correct. Yes, guys. Exactly, correct, exactly, Nil. That's my point. Because जिनका common sense अच्छा होता है ना, जिनका analytical skills अच्छा होता है, that is like उनको मजा आता है. That के paper में, guys, you sit through a that mock or you sit through a that paper, you'll have fun, you'll really enjoy. हाँ प्रथम, अच्छा आप you took it personally, common sense वाला point. अच्छा, so guys, that के exam में मजा बहुत आता है. If the sales in Alkapuri, of course, Tanmay, if the sales in Alkapuri is likely to be equal to that in Vishakhapatnam, how many years would it take for Suresh to get back his investment? Zero inflation, pessimistic estimate, मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा कितना बुरा हो जाए इतने साल में तो इन्वेस्टमेंट मिल ही जाएगा वापस. Okay, now guys, I'm going to show you the passage again because you'll have to work it out a little bit. If the sales is equal to that in Vishakhapatnam, how many years would he recoup his investment? Come on. Come on, guys. Alkapuri ka rental dekh lo, guys. 60 to 80 rupees per square feet. Pessimistic estimate lena hai. So let's say 80 rupees square feet hai. Come on. Okay. 2000 square feet hai na area? 2000 square feet. I'll explain. थोड़ा ऊपर. Poll, guys. Ayan, Nil, Mona Lisa, and Priyanka. Correct, Nil. Guys, how did you get this? I'll explain Ekta. We'll explain Prasanjit. Okay, let's go step by step on this, guys. Okay. Now, the Visakhapatnam franchisee has a revenue of rupees 4 to 5 lakhs. अगर हम pessimistic scenario लेंगे, तो will you consider 4 lakhs or 5 lakhs? If you take a pessimistic scenario, will you consider 4 lakhs or 5 lakhs? You will consider 4 lakhs. Okay. Got it? देखो 4 लाख से 5 लाख दिया है, 4 to 5 lakhs प्रसन्नजीत. पेसिमिस्टिक मतलब कितना भी घटिया हो सके, ज्यादा से ज्यादा घटिया. तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा घटिया मतलब 4 लाख या 5 लाख? 4 लाख. हाँ है ना, 4 लाख with a profit margin of 20 to 25. घटिया कौन सा होगा उसमें? 20%. प्रॉफिट 20%. ठीक है, और इसमें से उसको कितना मिलता है? 70%. From this he gets 70% of the profit. Yes or no? So you earn 4 lakh. Okay guys, disconnect हो जाएगा. Listen quickly. 4 lakhs. Okay, उसमें से आपको 20% प्रॉफिट मार्जिन मिलता है, उसमें से 70% आपको मिलता है. ठीक है, तो आपको महीने का कितना मिलता है? 4 लाख का, क्योंकि दिया है पेसिमिस्टिक एस्टिमेट. पेसिमिस्टिक एस्टिमेट शुभम. Can I say you get 56,000? Can I say you get 56,000 per month? Okay, 56,000 rupees per month. Okay, so in a year, how much? In a year आपको कितना मिलेगा? Can I say एक साल में आपको 6,72,000 मिलेगा? 56,000 into 12, 6,72,000 in a year. Okay, and what is your investment, guys? Can you tell me your investment? What is your investment? What is your investment? 40 lakhs. Why is your investment 40 lakhs? ये देखो, investment हमारा 40 lakhs है. Yes. Okay, और उसमें से रेंट भी होगा. 40 lakhs rupees में रेंट भी है. Correct? Rent every year. Total investment is 40 lakhs. Now, ये देखो. If the sales in Alkapuri is likely to be equal to that in Visakhapatnam, how many years would it take Suresh to get back his investment? Now, guys, in this investment, will you include the rent or you will not include the rent? Will you include the rent or you will not include the rent? Tell me that. Include. You will include the rent. Decide, guys, will you include the rent or you will not include the rent? इंक्लूड करके देखो, फिर मैथ्स बताओ इसका. इंक्लूड करके देखो. आप 80 रुपीज, सपोज 80 रुपीज स्क्वायर फीट बोल रहे हो, इंटू 2000 रुपीज स्क्वायर फीट. 80 इंटू 2000 रुपीज स्क्वायर फीट कितना हुआ पर मंथ? 1,60,000 per month. But guys, is this per month or per week? 60 to 80 rupees square feet per month, per week. I'm sorry, per month, per year. Correct, Shivam. 1 minute. कहाँ बताया ये? वही तो कहाँ बताया है? 40 rupees, 80 rupees. Is it per month or per year? Think, guys, you need to understand the question carefully. What will you multiply this with? Must be your. Okay. Correct. ये क्वेश्चन स्किप कर दिया. ओके. Okay, guys. Right. Now, I want you to understand this. In the investment, they've clearly asked you to say how much he will recover, in how much time will it take to recover his investment. In investment, why will you include rent? Have they asked you your total cost of running the place, your operating expenditure? Have they asked you that? They've straight away said investment. Why will you include rent plus zero inflation बोला है, क्योंकि they're talking about your initial investment, right? So initial investment हमारा कितना है? 40 lakhs है. Yes. Okay. Now, देखो, he needs a space of 2,000 square feet in a commercial area and an investment of 40 lakhs. And an investment of 40 lakhs. मतलब investment यहाँ पे हमको fix दिया है 40 lakhs. Yes or no? Investment हमको यहाँ पे दिया है 40 lakhs. Clear? Did all of you understand this point? Okay. Now, yes, okay. So अब guys, अब आप कैसे करोगे? 40 लाख हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट है और हमारा अरे guys, ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं. Shall we take this up tomorrow, guys? Because the class I cannot extend it beyond 10 minutes. Shall we take it up tomorrow? Okay, we'll discuss the investment versus this debate tomorrow. Okay, done. Take care, everyone. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys. Leaderboard. 8 p.m. Pallavi. No. Guys, kal Sunday hai na? Shall we meet at 11 a.m.? Yes, shall we meet at 11 a.m., guys? Done. Tomorrow, 11 a.m. Okay? Take care, guys. Bye-bye. 10:30 I'll see Pallavi. थोड़ा difficult होगा. ठीक है, 11 to 10, 11:45 तक रखेंगे. Done? 11 to 11:45. Okay. Bye, guys. Take care. Leaderboard. शुभम कल एक दिन Sunday. Done, guys. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.